Hey, I'm Seye Ogunowo, and this is a portfolio video showcase of the most recent software that I developed, Trend Analysis. Before we begin though, I want to state that I have the permission of the company I built this software for to display it in my portfolio, excluding sensitive parts of the application. And in this showcase, the app is running locally with test data. So Trend Analysis is a software developed to help my employer analyze and visualize financial data consolidated from its various branch offices across the country. One of my favorite features is the chart visualization, which gives users the option to view charts by branch, region, and some other options. Okay, so let's start with branch. Users will then need to select as many items, in this case, branches they'd want on the chart. When that's done, they then select what they want to see. Let's say client base, and there's their chart. Colored lines for each selected item or items. So let's say they want to change their perspective to a region. Branches are grouped into their respective regions so users can see the overall visualization of the selected regions. Now there are other perspectives, but we don't need to cover them. Alright, so onto analysis. In analysis, users can view analytics performed on the consolidated data and can see insights on the data. And users can see this for every subject they are interested in. They can see the best performing branch offices in all months of the working year, as well as the branch with the single highest amount in a single month. They can also see the best and worst months of the year, the monthly growth rate, quarterly growth rate, and even biannual growth rate of the selected subject. Okay, so we go to record approvals. In order to ensure that the data recorded by staff is congruent with the information available on the main banking system, area managers have to approve or refer records. So records approved here are sent to upper management for their own final approvals. Cannot go into further details beyond this point, I'm afraid. Records referred, on the other hand, go right back to the branch offices. The branch offices review those referred records and begin making their changes accordingly. Now, how is the data received from the branch offices? Now, that is done manually, and it is the only downside I see in this process. That's because the main banking system does not allow for integrations with third-party applications such as Trend Analysis. That's also the reason for the multi-step approval process, to ensure the data is congruent with that on the banking system. Data entry is quite straightforward on a scheduled basis. Now onto the final feature, well, at least as of now, the logs. You're actually supposed to be seeing a drop-down, but the application I'm using to record my showcase doesn't show that very well. In any case, the logs allow you to view the activities of the selected branches or staff members performed on Trend Analysis. Users can see the activities, the products, and the date and time, which I honestly still need to sort out, but the date and time show when these activities were performed. Okay, so that's a wrap on the showcase. And here are the technologies I used. Thanks.